welcome back to my channel. So in the previous vlog I mentioned that I'm kind of doing a little bit of spring cleaning. I'm slowly doing this throughout the summer, and so we're going through my Halloween stuff. Okay, so I already have some pre-cut ribbon that once I use it up, that's the last that I have. And then I pull out all of these bins. I have some fun witch themed ones. Look at these little bats and ghosts. I have these glittery ones, more bats, these cool little pumpkins. And so yeah, let's see what I end up making. Also, for some reason, I don't even know when I made these, but I found these in my cutting area, and so we'll finish these as well. But yeah, okay, let's get started. This corsage that I want to do, I'm just debating whether I should do the pumpkin or the little bat. I thought it would be cute. I don't know, can't decide, but we'll see. I can do my mind, you guys, and created these maternity sashes instead. I think they look so cute. So this is like a witch cat themed one, bats and pumpkins. And yeah, so I'm gonna stop here and then we'll pick up tomorrow because I do need to work on orders. Tomorrow I quickly separated what I want to do. So this blue ghost, pink ghost, and like a pumpkin only themed one. It was probably like green and orange only. So yeah, I still have like this skeleton one that's super cute that I need to think of. And then I have these ones as well. But yeah, okay, we'll pick up tomorrow. It's the next day and this is what I got done today. Some blue, pink, ghost themed ones, Frankenstein, the witch, skeleton themed ones. I'm having so much fun making all of these Halloween themed items for the shop because I've never really have taken the time to fully create a collection. I've gotten requests in the past, but like I haven't really dabbed into Halloween. But yeah, I'm having so much fun, and I found more bins with some more fun things. So this one has some fun monster ones. Oh, silver ghost. So yeah, some fun monster stickers that I can attach. I have these like monster eyes, these fun googly eyes as well. They'll be fun for Halloween themed. So yeah, let's see what I make with this, and then I think I'm gonna make some pacifier stuff as well. So let me continue. So yeah, that's my little progress update. They look so cute. Obsessed with the ghost ones for sure. Oh, the monster one turned out. Obsessed. Super cute. I've added these little googly eyes on the flowers. I still have 2 more to get done, but you know what, I'm gonna pause. That way I can take pictures and put all of these away, and then when I come back we'll finish the other 2 and the pacifier ones, and I'll take more pictures tomorrow. So let me go and set up the dress form in the garden. Funny, I just realized that whenever I'm gonna take pictures, it's always like windy. Anyways, okay, let's start taking pictures. And honestly, I think the witch themed ones along with the ghost ones are my favorite. I think these are so cute. Look at these ones with the shoes and the hat and the little cats. It's super cute. But okay, anyways, okay, let's start taking pictures. Taking pictures, yay! Now I just need to go edit all of the photos that I took. But anyways, I think that's pretty much it. I also ended up finishing up the pacifiers. These are so cute. I wanted this to go with the monster theme sash that I made. I feel like it goes with it. This is a ribbon, so cute. Anyways, so yeah, I finished all of that. I'm gonna put that away. Like I said, edit photos. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did this weekend, you know, just working on a bunch of Halloween stuff. And next week we'll see what I end up doing. Okay, bye, see you on the next video.